Want to make sure your FreshBooks records match your actual bank balance? This process is called bank reconciliation, and it's the cornerstone of accurate bookkeeping. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Think of it as a monthly checkup for your finances. It catches duplicates, missed transactions, and errors, ensuring your financial reports are reliable. First, ensure your bank account is connected via bank feeds in FreshBooks. Then, go to the Accounting or Banking tab. You'll see a list of imported transactions. Go through them one by one, matching each bank transaction to its corresponding expense or sale in FreshBooks. For example, match a bank withdrawal for an ad spend to the expense you already entered. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: reconcile every single month. Letting it slide for quarters makes it a nightmare to untangle. A quick monthly reconciliation session keeps your books clean and makes tax time a non-event. Just like that, you've taken control of your financial data and can trust the numbers you see in your reports. Do you find bank reconciliation therapeutic, or is it a necessary chore for you? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.